Came across an OM file from the Oberon ecosystem? This is compiled output from the Omicron compiler. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Omicron compiler files. Here's a professional insight. For those OM files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. OM. Files are compiled, object module files generated by Omicron Oberon compilers for the Oberon programming language and system. They contain compiled code symbol tables and module dependencies used by the Oberon runtime to load and execute Oberon programs developed for academic research and embedded systems. OM. Files use a binary format specific to the Omicron Oberon compiler implementation, storing compiled bytecode or native machine code symbol references, export tables, and module dependencies. The format follows Niklaus Wirth's Oberon module system specifications, with version-specific extensions for the Omicron compiler family. Peter Strandmark defined Omicron as the main handler for OM files. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your OM file and choose Open With. Start your test with Omicron if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. When your OM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent OM file error. First, running an Oberon system. Install an Oberon system like Blue Bottle Project Oberon or A2 from the ETH Zurich repositories. Copy OM files to the system module directory and use the Oberon loader command to execute the modules. The system loads the compiled modules resolving dependencies and runs the Oberon programs in their native environment. Next, compiling from source. If Oberon source code is available, recompile from sources using the current Omicron compiler version to produce updated OM files. Source files typically have mod or Oberon extensions. Compilation through the Oberon system's built-in compiler ensures compatibility with the current runtime environment and module loading mechanisms. Finally, inspecting with Hex Editor. Open OM files in a Hex Editor like HXD to examine binary structure for academic study or debugging. Module headers reveal version information dependencies and exported symbols. This level of inspection requires understanding of Omicron's module format documentation, typically available in Oberon language specifications and academic literature. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.